see these guys race our birds in 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Pretty good start.
About 5 minutes left in this one.
It looks like the birds are trying super duper
There's
hard.
about 5 minutes left in this show.
Now what Lester's going to be doing is getting right up into the air and catching a lure from his trainer here today. And once he does get up there, he's going to practice a portion of that hunt known as waiting on, which I'll explain to you guys in just a little bit.
Yeah, it's an eagle.
Now these birds can reach speeds even faster than that of a cheetah. Looks like he's getting a little bit excited for that lure here today, reaching speeds of up to 120 kilometers an hour. Now they'll do this by jumping off of high cliff ledges or skyscrapers even, and quite literally bulleting towards the ground towards their prey. And then what they will do is they will bake those feet into little fists and quite literally punch that prey item right out of the air. Now right now we're hoping that he can catch that lure right out of the air for us instead of punching that prey today. But what he's doing right now, as I said before, is that portion of the hunt known as waiting on. Now right now Lester's kind of putting some heat into those muscles, getting his blood pumping, as well as feeling out those weather and wind conditions, as he doesn't want to go too quickly with this hunt here. And while he does so, he's going to be going up and down and all around, as you guys can see, behind a tree or two, really trying to confuse his prey, as he doesn't want them to know where he's going to strike or if he plans to strike at all. Making a few good passes for us today, really showing off for our audience here. Now we'll see if he can get a catch here today, around this corner.
Woo!
Knock by Lester. Let's give him a hand while he
Go, Lester!
Now this was a good example of how Lester was going just a little too fast to catch that prey item right out of the air, and instead he used those little feet as fists and punched that prey item, as I said before. But here at Safari we do have a number of conservation initiatives going on, one of which with the Conservation Center specifically is with the Eastern Loggerhead Shrike. Now this is a really unique little predatory songbird, actually native to. We also have trips here, our red-tailed hawk. But you are more than welcome. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and be sure to go wild. Thank you guys so much.
Diets, fish and water birds. Interesting. Hawk. This one's a hawk. This is it. Hawk. This one's a hawk.